Hello everyone, this is Mihir again with TrueDoor Property Management, here to present to you 2245 Tamarac Lane here in Tustin. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, coming in at about 1,200 square feet. So before we go inside, I'm going to give you a quick look around of just the neighborhood. Nice and quiet here. Has some nice amenities as well. But that is a quick look of your neighborhood. But let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what this house has to offer. So again, it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Right as you enter, you do have a nice spacious living room, dining room area. Here's kind of a full look at the living and dining room area. And then there also is a coat closet, really good size. So anything for your grab and goes. Before you're heading out for work or what have you. Nice little closet there, and then you have some nice wood faux flooring here with also recessed lighting at the top. And then I'll give you another look, kind of just to give you some different angles here. So beautiful open floor plan here. And then as you continue on the right hand side, you do have a little patio backyard area. There is access to the outside, so you can go right through that door right here. But yes, out here is a really good space. Can definitely fit some furniture and whatnot back here. If you're a gardener, there's some places for some planters, and there's also a little barbecue. So that is the backyard or backyard patio. And then here is, I guess you would say, your dining room. It does have a ceiling fan here as well. And then as we continue on, let me give you actually another look from this side. So yeah, dining room here, you can hand over your food straight from the kitchen through that little cubby there. So that's kind of a nice little feature. But yes, this is your living room, dining room area. Continuing on, as you can kind of see it there off to the left, you do have your washer and dryer and your laundry room. Plenty of shelving here so you can store all your detergents and all that good stuff. So that is your laundry room, and then off to the right of this, or across the hall, is your kitchen. So you have some white cabinetry with your fridge, your microwave, your dishwasher, and your stove and oven. So again, here is a full look at your kitchen. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. And let's, take a look around here. There you are. And then continue on, let's get to the bedrooms here. So again, this is a 3-bedroom. I'm gonna take you to the first of the 3, right down the hallway. So here is the first bedroom. Pretty good size here, carpeted inside the bedroom, so nice comfortability in the bedrooms here. It does have your large closet there. And then plantation shutters for the window. And then here is going to be bedroom number 2. Similar style, just kind of opposite. But this one does have a ceiling fan as well. The other room does not. So there is your second bedroom. Then here is the shared bathroom. It does have a nice large medicine cabinet, so you have some extra storage there, as well as some storage under the sink. And then you do have your shower and the rest of the bathroom. So it's tiled flooring here in the bathroom. And then here is going to be your master. This one also does have a ceiling fan. This one also has 2 closets. So there is one right there. If you're doing a his and hers, I'm gonna go ahead and say that one's the his. And this larger one is the hers. But yeah, so there is 2 closets, which is a nice little feature there. And then you do have your own personal bathroom. Again, same style medicine cabinet here, single vanity, tiled flooring in the bathroom, and then you also have tile in the shower. It does have a curtain rod right there in the corner. So whenever you're ready, you could put up your shower curtain. And yeah, that is gonna do it here for 2245 Tamarac Lane. If you are interested, please visit our website, www.truedoorpm.com, to submit your application. Well, thanks for joining us. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.